In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a payment processor with your Squarespace website. This will streamline your payment system and make transactions smoother and more secure for both you and your customers. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together to ensure everything is set up correctly. First things first, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your website's dashboard. This area is your control center, where you can manage and tweak various aspects of your site. Now, look towards the main menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a section labeled Commerce. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic related to your online store happens, from managing products to processing payments. Within the Commerce section, you'll see an option called Payments. By clicking on it, you'll access all the available payment processing methods you can integrate with your site. Most commonly, you'll see Stripe as the primary payment processor. However, depending on your location, alternative options like PayPal and Square may also be available. Choose the processor that best suits the needs of your business. Let's say you opt for Stripe. Next to Stripe, or whichever processor you prefer, you'll find a button that says Connect. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to either create an account if you don't already have one, or log into an existing account with your chosen processor. The procedure is straightforward, with the on-screen prompts guiding you through each necessary step. Once you've logged in or created an account, you'll be directed to the provider's platform to complete some essential details. This usually includes entering your business information and bank account details. This step is crucial as it ensures that payments received through your website are deposited directly into your bank account. Be sure to double-check all the information for accuracy to prevent any future issues with payment processing. Remember, if at any point you encounter difficulties, the processors usually offer plenty of support resources or customer service lines to help you through any hiccups. Once you've completed all these steps and ensured everything is correct, you should be all set. Your payment processor will now be integrated with your Squarespace site, allowing for seamless transactions moving forward. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a payment processor with your Squarespace account. By taking the time to carefully follow this process, you've ensured a smooth experience for your customers and peace of mind for yourself. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.